What's good, y'all? It's your boy Roy. Another day, another blessing. Back with another video. We're gonna hit a quick little it's like a garage meet. Usually they're actually really good turnouts with like a big variety of cars, so we're gonna see, y'all. I just got a quick little wash. I'm just gonna pull up solo, so I'm gonna head over there. I'll just pick up the video once I pull up. All right, y'all, just parked up. Yes, sir. Clean G82, F82 right here. Sheesh. Clean. Yeah. Sheesh. Bro got the roll cage and all. Yeah. Bro's representing for the E90s. Clean Evos. Evos are outside today. Sheesh.
He's like, I don't got room, dude. He's like, oh, no. He's like, I want to buy one.
Yeah. Sheesh. It's clean.
Yeah, I think he's gonna.
Kia Clean Mark 4. This thing is wild. Super clean. Sheesh. Yes, sir. The E92. Low key pulling off the wing. I like it. back home at the crib. This will be the end of today's video. I hope you all have a blessed day. It's your boy Roy, and I'm out.